Best practices for Fidelity bond investing involve a thorough understanding of the investment process and a disciplined approach to managing risk. Fidelity bonds are a type of fixed income investment that offers a relatively low-risk investment option with a fixed return. To begin investing in Fidelity bonds, it is essential to set clear financial goals and assess your risk tolerance. This will help determine the right type and amount of bonds to invest in. Next, research and select a reputable broker or financial institution to facilitate the investment process. When selecting Fidelity bonds, consider factors such as credit rating, yield, and maturity period. A higher credit rating indicates a lower risk of default, while a higher yield may indicate a higher risk. It is crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in bonds with different credit ratings and maturity periods to minimize risk. Another key concept is interest rate risk, which is the risk that changes in interest rates will affect the value of the bond. To mitigate this risk, consider investing in bonds with shorter maturity periods or using a laddering strategy, where bonds with different maturity periods are invested in at regular intervals. In addition to these strategies, it is essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. This involves tracking the performance of your bonds, rebalancing your portfolio as needed, and considering tax implications. By following these best practices, investors can minimize risk and maximize returns when investing in Fidelity bonds. It is also important to stay informed about market trends and economic conditions, as these can impact the performance of Fidelity bonds. By taking a disciplined and informed approach to Fidelity bond investing, investors can achieve their financial goals and build a stable and secure investment portfolio.